Welcome once again to my channel. Star Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the first time, please do well to subscribe. And to my old subscribers, God richly bless you. Yes, we really appreciate you. In today's video, I'm going to show you a glowing face cream. This face cream, a man can use and a woman can use. Please stay tuned and let's get back to my workstation. Welcome once again to my workstation, guys. Yes, we are going to use bronzestone face cream. Yes, we are using one container of our bronzestone. Yes, guys, this bronzestone is for caramel, hot chocolate. Dark skin can also use, okay, depending on your skin type. And this one is bronzestone dark spot corrector face cream. Yes, we are going to use one, guys. Bronzestone face cream. Yes, we are going to use one. And I'll also use my Dermaman cream. This cream is also very good for inflammatory, allergic, and those things. So it's very good. And also I'll be using my clean cap cream. Please guys, I'm using the cream, not the gel. Use the cream. I'll also add in a little of my bronzestone serum. If you get the vanishing serum, is very good. This one is anti-touch, and also that one is also very good because this one remove pimples, acne, and skin problems. I'm going to scoop one container of my bronzestone face cream into my measuring cup. Yes, I have scooped one into it. I'm going to add in my Dermaman. Yes, this one is Dermaman. I'll be adding in half of it. Guys, please take note. I'm adding in half of my Dermaman. I'm adding in half of it. I've added in half of my Dermaman. And I'm also going to add in my clean cap. Half of my clean cap. This is our clean cap cream. Yes, we are using the cream, not the gel. Yes guys, I'll be adding in half of it. Yeah, we have added in half of it. Yes, we have added in half of our clean cap. I'm going to mix it together. Yes, I'm going to stir it or mix it together, please. Yeah, I have mixed it. Yes guys, I've mixed my cream. I'm going to also add in the serum. Please, the serum, I'm going to add in a little of it. Yes, half teaspoon of it into my mixture. This serum is optional. It's optional, please. So I'll be adding in half teaspoon. And I'll mix it again, half teaspoon of it. Then I'll mix it again. Yes, our glowing face cream is ready. This one is pro-mixing method. Guys, please, this one is pro-mixing method. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn the notification bell for more videos. I love you guys. Bye.